Hello inmates, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we're going to be baking prison biscuits. So let's grab your shiv and let's get baking.
In a pot on medium-low heat, we add butter, sugar and malt syrup. Make sure you stir it together until it's smooth and bubbly. Also, make sure you've preheated your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fan bake. Now for the fun of science. We add the baking soda and stirring it in while we watch it go foamy, which is awesome. Having done the science, we add the flour and mix it into the dough, which we turned into the biscuits. Let it cool for a bit and it should be cool to handle, but I misjudged that a bit and it's still too hot. I've got a small amount of mixture and this will give you about 6 per tray. Then with your hands, fork or rolling pin, for me I use my hands and pat them out as thin as possible and then put them in the oven for around 10 minutes or until a dark golden colour. Then go to the next tray and repeat the same process. Having baked, leave them for a few moments, carefully remove them and then let them cool on the wire rack. Then repeat with the other tray. You've made the prison biscuits and not gotten shivved in the process. Don't forget to check the Prison Kitchen for more recipes, leave a comment below and smuggle a subscribe in. Until next time, enjoy the kitchen.